Installing OpenCart on a web server involves several straightforward steps. Here's how to do it. Choose a hosting provider. Select a reliable web hosting provider that supports PHP and MySQL, as these are required for OpenCart. Ensure the server meets the system requirements specified on the OpenCart website. Download OpenCart. Go to the OpenCart website and download the latest version of the software. You will receive a zip file. Upload files to server. Use an FTP client to connect to your web server. Upload the extracted OpenCart files from the zip file to the desired directory on your server. Create a database. Access your hosting control panel and navigate to MySQL databases. Create a new database and the user, then assign the user to the database with all privileges. Run the installer. In your web browser, navigate to your domain. This will trigger the OpenCart installation wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your database details when prompted. Complete installation. Once the setup is finished, delete the install folder from your server for security reasons.